Hi guys, we are back with another video. VPNs used to be all about keeping your online activities private. But now, they're like Swiss Army knives with lots of extra tools to make your internet experience easier. I only use VPNs that have these essential features. Without them, it's just not worth it for me. So let's start the video. When you're using a VPN, it's like putting on a cloak of invisibility online. Your real address is hidden, and it looks like you're somewhere else. But what if your VPN connection suddenly goes out? Your invisibility cloak would fall, and your real address could be seen. A kill switch is like an extra layer of protection. It's there to make sure that if your VPN connection drops, all your internet traffic is blocked until you're back under the cloak. So, you're always protected, even if something goes wrong. The internet can be a scary place, full of hidden trackers that want to know everything about you. That's why using a tracker blocker with your VPN is like adding an extra layer of protection. Think of a tracker blocker as a shield that blocks annoying ads and keeps your personal information safe. When you go online, your computer talks to a special address book called a DNS to find the right website. With a DNS block list, this address book is checked for bad addresses that trackers use. If it finds a bad address, it blocks it, keeping you safe. This means that instead of trackers being able to follow your every move online, they're essentially blocked from seeing you at all. So, if you want to stay private and avoid those pesky ads, using a VPN with a built-in tracker blocker is a great way to do it. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your online activities. Ever heard of DNS? It's like the phonebook of the internet, helping your computer find websites. But just like your phonebook can be a little nosy, DNS can reveal a lot about you. That's why a good VPN is like a secret tunnel, keeping your DNS queries safe and sound. When you connect to a VPN, it creates a secret tunnel between your computer and the internet. This tunnel is like a private room, and your DNS queries stay inside. This means your internet service provider, ISP, and other prying eyes can't see what websites you're trying to visit. Think of it like this: your VPN's DNS server is like a trusted friend who knows all the best websites. When you ask your computer to find a website, it whispers the request to your VPN, and your VPN's friend helps out. Since the request is made inside the secret tunnel, no one else can hear it. So, even if you're not using fancy encryption for your DNS queries, your VPN's secret tunnel keeps them safe. It's like adding an extra layer of protection to your online activities. When you use a VPN, it's like trusting a friend to keep your secrets. Your friend, the VPN provider, sees everything you do online, so it's important to choose a friend you can trust. That's where the privacy policy comes in. It's like a contract between you and the VPN provider, outlining what they can and can't do with your information. A good privacy policy will be clear and honest about what data they collect and why. But just having a good privacy policy isn't enough. Many reputable VPN providers go the extra mile by using special technology to either stop collecting logs altogether or delete them as soon as they're created. This is like your friend promising to forget everything you tell them as soon as you're done talking. So, when choosing a VPN, look for one with a solid privacy policy and a commitment to protecting your online privacy. VPN for your whole digital family. Online privacy is important, and we all have a lot of devices. It would be a pain to have to buy a VPN for each one. That's why I look for VPN providers that let me connect multiple devices at the same time. Used to be, most VPNs only let you connect 5 devices. But now, with so many gadgets around, many providers offer 10 connections or even unlimited connections. So, whether you're using your phone, tablet, laptop, or smart TV, you can keep everything safe and private with one VPN. The heart of any VPN is its encryption. It's like a magic lock that keeps your online activity safe. A good VPN uses strong encryption that can't be cracked. The best VPNs use open source protocols. This means the code is public, so experts can check it and make sure it's working as it should. Proprietary code is like a secret recipe. You don't know what's in it, so you can't be sure it's safe. Some good open source protocols are IKEv2, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. Avoid PPTP and L2TP, IPsec, they're old and not as secure. And don't forget about encryption algorithms. SHA-20, AES-CBC, and AES-GCM are strong choices. There are others too, but these are the most common and reliable. So, when choosing a VPN, look for one that uses open source protocols and strong encryption. This will help keep your online activities safe and private. Everyone has their own comfort level when it comes to keeping their information safe. This video talks about what's important to me, but your priorities might be different. That's totally okay. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos.